I know they told me to read something, but I will read something here first. It says, with her perfectly manicured nails wrapped around the steering wheel of a Jamaica Urban Transit Company bus, a radiant smile ready to greet her passengers, and her keen eyes peeled on the streets of the corporate area. Eh? They call her the queen of the 47 route, Tashana Forbes, going viral as the much-loved JUTC driver. She's here. You just see the perfectly manicured nails a while ago. Good morning.
Morning, Uncle Neville.
Welcome, Uncle Neville. No, son, about the uncle thing. You must be up already. You must be up already. Great to meet you. Great to meet you. Why are you a bus driver? Because I know you have a number of bus drivers at the JUTC. But why? Well, why did you want to drive the bus?
Well, it was by chance. I was home, unemployed, and a friend of mine asked me if I would drive a bus. And I was like, yeah, what type of bus though? It isn't a coaster. And he was like, no man, JUTC bus. And I was like, all right, I'll give it a try. And he was like, do your application and your resume and drop it off at the headquarters in Spanish Town. And I did just that.
Had you ever driven any heavy vehicles before that?
No, it was a nerve-wracking experience.
So you had you could drive?
Yes, I could drive.
And you had a driver's license?
Yes, I did.
So what kind of training you had to do to drive the bus?
Oh, well, basically it was a 6-week training. So first of all, after you do
You do like the road test first and so?
Yeah, you do they evaluate you.
Mm-hmm.
And after evaluation, they send you in the training. And after training, they upgrade your license, and then you take it from there.
How long did you said it at 6 weeks, but how long did you think before you were ready to do this?
7 weeks.
7 weeks?
Yes.
You had to put in another week.
Another week, yes.
They take you on the road, right?
Yes, they did.
Just like a regular learner driver, right?
Yes, with the L in the front and the back, yeah.
Never nervous?
Yes.
Yeah? First time you carried passengers, what was that day like for you?
Oh, wow.
Where did you go from to where the first time?
I think it was from Spanish Town to Halfway Tree.
Are you never nervous?
Yes, I was. But, you know, you have to set the nerves aside and do what you have to do.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Whew. So when people come on and see this female driver, before them realize and know that you can handle it, how did they kind of look at you and say, you know, I don't want to come on a bus because I don't know if this lady can manage?
Yeah.
You got some of that?
Yeah, I had some reactions like that. But after a while, they just have to work with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We were talking before, and I was reading this, that it says every now and again, some people come on the bus and they don't want to pay.
Yeah.
So what you do?
Well, basically, if they like, you know, bad you up, you know, you like maybe ask a second time or a third time. If not, call the police.
On the spot, or you take them and then call them at the end of the day?
Basically, along the way, if you see a radio car passing, police personnel passing, you know, you kind of stop them, flag them down or something.
How often does that happen? How often would people come on the bus and they come and just say what? Them just walk past you and they say, boy, I don't have money, beg you a ride?
Some will walk past, some will politely ask you for a ride, or they will ask from outside. So drive, I'm not have no fear, no beg you a ride, no. And, you know, good spirit, good mood, you know, you can, man, go on. You give them a chance.
If you're in a good mood?
No.
So if you're not in a good mood, them still then?
No.
But I read that you kind of allow them every now and again.
Yeah, I allow sometimes one passenger, one free rider per trip.
Oh.
But after that,
that's it.
No more.
So them come and say, no, ma'am, I have a free man
I've one already.
Yeah. Any accidents?
Oh, just one major, but not really. Yeah, just one.
I don't know about the JUTC bus drivers, but I give bus drivers a hard time. I give taxi drivers a hard time. You get it. You fall in that category too, or you think you're a little bit different from the way maybe some of your colleagues drive?
Oh, I won't say I'm different, but the road is rough, very rough, especially with the taxi men.
Glad you said that. I'm glad you said that.
But over a period of time, you know, you get used to them, and when you see them coming, you know, you give them way. Yeah.
With your big something, you give
Yes,
them way?
man, me give them way all the time. All the coasters, them on Malines Road.
No, I'm glad you're saying this, you know. You know, here, it's not me saying it. It's the one I want to call you. Them. Any regrets? Are you,
No.
if you had to do something else, what would you do? Because I read where you want to drive a truck.
Yeah, I like trucks.
Why?
I don't know, I just like the big units. Yeah.
You like big units.
Yeah.
So you're going to drive a truck.
One day. I
But-
want to learn.
So it's not like the same thing with looking at this big bus. It wouldn't be the same kind of thing.
No, you have more gears. You have,
But
well,
the-
you have gears.
But
where you
the
have
bus
to,
automatic.
yeah, the bus is automatic.
Then truck, you don't have automatic truck too.
I never come across any.
You don't have automatic truck. Yeah, man. You're supposed to have automatic truck.
Yeah.
Huh? And semi-automatic.
Well, I want
But
to.
you enjoy this.
I want to know how to change the gears, and I like to hear when the truck.
Boom.
Gear, yeah.
Aye, I like that too. The man comes down on the path, boom, boom, boom. I
Yeah.
like that too. Where is your route?
My route is 47 from Chancery Street through Valentine's Gardens onto Malines Road, through Halfway Tree, part of Halfway Tree Road, Balmoral Avenue, Balata, onto Linders Crescent, Linders Road, Retirement Road.
That's some of them road a little bit.
Yeah. But training, bill you for it.
Training building for the little road them.
Yes, man.
Do me a favor.
In training, they carry us through even the Coronation Market, where the cars are parked two sides of the road. You have to go through it.
No, sir. Do me a favor. Don't ease up the taxi, man.
True.
Not ease them up.
Now use them up.
You had a big thing.
You can't employ me when JUTC.
Actually, I would. Good. It is so good to meet you. It
Yeah,
is great to
same here.
meet you. And
My
it is
pleasure.
fantastic that you're actually enjoying. There are some people who don't necessarily enjoy what they do, but it
Yeah.
seems like you do.
Yeah, I
you,
do.
You enjoy what you do.
Yes, I do.
About the route, you have a choice on which route. You can tell them, say, I don't like this route, I want to go another route.
Yes, you can, but
Your
it
route.
doesn't necessarily work in your favor at times. But
Or sometimes
you can
maybe
voice out your concerns, and they will.
And you get basically the same passengers every day because of the same route.
Yes, sometimes you get new passengers.
So
you
everybody know you.
Yeah.
And you know everybody.
Yes, I do.
And that's important to you, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Fantastic. It is fantastic to meet you.
Yes,
Stay
it is.
safe. And
try.
continue to do what you're doing. I hope you get your wish. Well, you want to drive truck, fellow. So you're going to stop drive JTs to drive truck and do what?
No, not only that. Not only that. Not only driving a truck. In the future, I hope to have my own business.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
By
I like
way,
the transport sector.
I've been driving from before you born.
Yes.
And I still don't know how to find an alternator and all kind of stuff. I don't. So don't just stop. Don't sit down. You have to know these things. You have to know the engine and all kind of stuff.
No, I don't. Wait, what do you mean?
But
Pertaining to the bus?
Yeah.
No, I don't. But I try to learn. Yeah. Whenever the mechanics are working on the bus,
Okay.
I always, go around to find out what is wrong and where is this and where is that.
Yeah, which
Yeah,
is good.
yeah.
Me don't know nothing about that.
I don't believe that.
I'm telling you.
I don't believe you.
But I'm telling you, you can't come to my life on TV. I'm telling you, I have no idea where nothing I need. I just know if I see. Well, my car is more like a computer, so my car tell me what is wrong.
Okay.
My car will just say, you need coolant. Or you need something. Say, oh, I need coolant.
Okay.
Great to meet you.
All right.
Be safe on the road.
Same here, Neville.
Oh, you manage the wheel with.
No, man, these are no problem. I'm used to it.
All right. Well, it's a manicure at the start.
Yes.
Yeah. Bless.
All right.
The queen of the 47 route, Tashana Forbes.